Punta Cana is packed with all-inclusive resorts that look identical in photos, but here's something most travelers miss when comparing properties. Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine sits in the Arena Gorda to Macau zone of Punta Cana, and that specific location detail matters more than you might think. This stretch puts you roughly 30 minutes from Punta Cana International Airport, which translates to less time in a shuttle van after a long flight and more time with a drink in your hand. The airport is 22 miles away, and while that might sound like a detail only a spreadsheet person would care about, anyone who spent an extra hour stuck in resort traffic will tell you proximity counts. The hotel is positioned within reasonable striking distance of multiple beaches and golf courses, which means you can actually leave the property without turning it into an all-day expedition. Playa Arena Gorda is a 10-minute drive. Macau Beach sits 2.8 miles away and also takes about 10 minutes by car, and Arena Gorda Beach is nearby given the zone location. For golfers, Cana Bay Golf Course is 2 miles out, and Punta Blanca Golf Club is 2.9 miles away or roughly 15 minutes by car. There's also a Splash Park amusement park 2.7 miles from the hotel, which gives families with kids an off-property option that doesn't require a full day of logistics. The point is this: location isn't just about being on a beach, it's about being close enough to other things that you don't feel trapped if you want to explore, and far enough from the chaos that you're not hearing jet skis at dawn. The rooms at Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine are where you'll spend a decent chunk of your time, so it's worth understanding what you're actually getting. Unfortunately, the provided information doesn't include detailed breakdowns of specific room categories, square footage, bedding configurations, or in-room amenities like minibar contents, balcony sizes, or bathroom features. What we do know is that the hotel is located in Arena Gorda to Macau in Punta Cana, and it operates as part of the broader Bahia Principe portfolio. Without confirmed details on junior suites versus standard rooms, or whether certain categories include swim-up access or ocean views, it becomes difficult to paint an accurate picture of what separates one room type from another. What can be said is that the property markets itself as a 5-star resort, though no official classification body is cited in the available information, so take that self-designation with a grain of salt. If you're the type of traveler who needs to know exact thread counts, rainfall showerhead brands, or whether the coffee maker is a pod system or drip, you'll want to contact the hotel directly before booking. The absence of granular room data in the research doesn't mean the rooms are bad, it just means we can't verify specifics. In the world of all-inclusive resorts, room quality can vary wildly even within the same property, so confirming your exact category and its features ahead of time is never a bad idea. Some guests prioritize being close to the pool, others want top-floor privacy, and still others care most about whether the air conditioning is whisper quiet or sounds like a freight train. Those details matter, and they're not always captured in glossy marketing photos. When it comes to restaurants and bars, the provided information doesn't include a confirmed list of dining venues, cuisine types, operating hours, or whether reservations are required. This is a significant gap because dining is often the make or break element of an all-inclusive experience. At many resorts, you'll find a main buffet that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with rotating international stations, plus a handful of a la carte restaurants specializing in Italian, Asian fusion, steakhouse fare, or Caribbean flavors. Some properties require reservations for specialty dining and limit you to one visit per restaurant per week, while others let you book as many times as you want. Without confirmed details, it's impossible to say which model Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine follows. What can be said is that the property is part of the Bahia Principe brand, which operates multiple resorts across the Caribbean and Mexico, and typically these properties offer a mix of buffet and a la carte options. But specifics like whether there's a beachfront grill serving fresh caught fish at lunch, or a rooftop bar with craft cocktails at sunset, are not documented in the available information. If you're someone who takes food seriously, and let's be honest, plenty of people choose resorts based almost entirely on dining quality, then you'll want to dig into online reviews or contact the hotel to get a real sense of what's on offer. The difference between a resort with mediocre reheated buffet food and one with skilled chefs preparing dishes to order is the difference between a vacation you tolerate and one you actually enjoy. Without verified dining details, it's hard to make that call here. Pools and beaches are central to the Punta Cana experience, and Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine is located in a zone known for its proximity to several beaches. Arena Gorda Beach is nearby, given the hotel's location in the Arena Gorda to Macau area. Playa Arena Gorda is a 10-minute drive, and Macau Beach is 2.8 miles away, also about 10 minutes by car. These aren't private hotel beaches in the traditional sense, but rather stretches of coastline that are accessible and often shared by multiple properties or open to the public. Macau Beach in particular is known for being less developed and more natural, with stronger surf and fewer vendors, which appeals to people who want a beach that feels less like a resort amenity and more like an actual beach. Whether the hotel provides shuttle service to these beaches, or whether you need to arrange your own transport, isn't specified in the available information. As for on-site pools, the provided data doesn't include details on the number of pools, their sizes, whether there are swim-up bars, infinity edges, or separate adult-only and family-friendly sections. Pool culture at all-inclusive resorts can vary wildly. Some properties have a single massive pool that gets crowded by mid-morning, while others have multiple smaller pools tucked into quieter corners of the property. Some have elaborate water features and slides, others are simple rectangles with loungers. Without confirmed specifics, it's hard to say where this property falls on that spectrum. If you're someone who likes to claim a shaded lounger by 8 in the morning and stay there all day, or if you prefer a pool that's deep enough for actual swimming rather than just wading, those are details worth confirming before you book. Activities at Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine aren't fully detailed in the provided information, which makes it tough to give a complete picture of what you can actually do on property. Many all-inclusive resorts offer a standard menu of activities like beach volleyball, water aerobics, dance classes, and evening entertainment shows. Some have tennis courts, archery ranges, kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear available for guest use. Others charge extra for motorized water sports or off-site excursions. Without confirmed details, it's impossible to say which activities are included here and which come with an upcharge. What we do know is that the hotel is located 2.7 miles from a splash park amusement park, which suggests families with kids have an off-property option if they want a change of pace. The hotel is also near two golf courses, Cana Bay Golf Course at 2 miles away and Punta Blanca Golf Club at 2.9 miles or about 15 minutes by car. Golf in the Dominican Republic can be spectacular, with courses designed by big-name architects and ocean views that make it hard to focus on your swing. Whether the hotel offers discounted tee times or shuttle service to these courses isn't specified. If you're traveling with a group that includes both golfers and non-golfers, proximity to a course can be a huge plus because it means the golfers can get their round in without disappearing for an entire day. For non-golfers, the question becomes what else is there to do, and without detailed activity information, that remains an open question. Spa and wellness facilities are a major draw for many travelers, especially those looking to justify the cost of a resort vacation by getting a massage or facial they would never splurge on at home. Unfortunately, the provided information doesn't include details on whether Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine has an on-site spa, what treatments are available, pricing, operating hours, or whether advance booking is required. Many all-inclusive resorts have spas, but treatments are almost always an extra charge, sometimes a steep one. A standard massage can run anywhere from $60 to $150 depending on the resort and the length of the session. Some spas offer packages that bundle multiple treatments at a slight discount, and others have hydrotherapy circuits with saunas, steam rooms, and plunge pools that you can access for a day pass fee. Without confirmed information, it's hard to say what this property offers. If wellness is a priority for you, whether that means daily yoga classes, a well-equipped fitness center, or access to a full-service spa, you'll want to verify those details before booking. Some travelers assume that 5-star and all-inclusive automatically means a top-tier spa, but that's not always the case. The quality of spa facilities can vary as much as the quality of the food, and it's worth doing your homework. The provided information doesn't specify whether Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine is an adults-only property or a family-friendly resort with kids' clubs and activities. This is a critical distinction because it shapes the entire vibe of the property. Adults-only resorts tend to be quieter, with more emphasis on romantic dinners, swim-up bars, and late-night entertainment. Family-friendly resorts have kids' clubs, splash pads, and organized activities designed to keep children entertained so parents can get a break. Without confirmation either way, it's impossible to describe kids' clubs, age ranges, activity schedules, or whether babysitting services are available. If you're traveling with children, this is one of the first questions you should ask before booking. A resort that markets itself as family-friendly but has a kids' club that only operates a few hours a day or that charges extra for certain activities can be a disappointment. On the flip side, if you're looking for a child-free escape and accidentally book a resort that allows kids, you might find yourself sharing a pool with a dozen screaming toddlers, which isn't everyone's idea of relaxation. Nearby attractions are one of the underrated benefits of staying at Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine, assuming you're the type of traveler who actually leaves the resort. Punta Cana has a reputation as a place where people fly in, check into an all-inclusive, and never leave the property until it's time to go to the airport. But if you're willing to rent a car or book a tour, there's more to see. Macau Beach, 2.8 miles away and about 10 minutes by car, is one of the more natural and less developed beaches in the area. It's popular with surfers and locals, and it has a different feel than the manicured resort beaches. Playa Gorda is also a 10-minute drive and offers another beach option. For families, the Splash Park amusement park is 2.7 miles from the hotel, which gives kids a break from the pool and beach routine. Golfers have two solid options nearby: Cana Bay Golf Course at 2 miles and Punta Blanca Golf Club at 2.9 miles, or about 15 minutes by car. Both courses are well regarded, though green fees and cart rentals are typically not included in all-inclusive packages, so budget accordingly. The hotel is also 30 minutes from Punta Cana International Airport, which is close enough that you don't lose half a day to transfers, but far enough that you're not hearing planes overhead every 20 minutes. If you want to venture further, Punta Cana has zip lining, cenote swimming, catamaran cruises, and cultural tour to nearby towns. The key is to plan ahead and not assume the resort concierge will have availability for popular excursions at the last minute. Keeping it real, the available information doesn't include guest reviews, platform ratings, or documented complaints, which makes it difficult to point to specific drawbacks or recurring issues. That said, there are a couple of red flags worth mentioning. First, there's ambiguity around the hotel's identity and official website. Multiple sites with similar names exist, including Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine and Bahia Principe Escape Aquamarine, and it's not entirely clear from the research which property is which or whether they're the same place under different names. That kind of confusion can lead to booking errors or mismatched expectations. Second, the hotel markets itself as a 5-star property, but no official classification body is cited, which means that designation is self-claimed rather than independently verified. In the hospitality world, star ratings can be subjective, and what one property calls 5-star might not match what another country or rating system considers 5-star. Without detailed reviews or ratings from platforms like TripAdvisor or Booking.com, it's hard to gauge how guests actually feel about their stays. Are people raving about the service and food, or are they complaining about outdated rooms and long wait times at restaurants? That information isn't available in the provided data. If you're risk-averse and want to book with confidence, it's worth digging into recent reviews on multiple platforms before committing. No hotel is perfect, and even the best properties have off days or categories of rooms that are better than others. The lack of detailed guest feedback in the research doesn't mean the hotel is bad, but it does mean you'll need to do more homework on your own. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.